Hello YouTube, this is BlackBurningIce, and today I'll be showing you how to get PSX ROMs and emulators onto your computer. So first off, we're going to need the PlayStation emulator called PSX for iPhone, which can be found under Cydia. Just wait for it to load up. Okay, so now that I have Cydia up, I believe this is a community source that comes with Cydia. So all I need to do is go into search, type in PSX, search. You should be getting PSX for iPhone, also for iPod Touch. As you can see, Sony PlayStation 1 emulator for the iPhone and iPod Touch. What I need to do is hit install, confirm it is not that big of a file. Then once you are done, you should have this on your springboard. Not necessarily in a folder unless you put it in one. But you should have something called PSX for iPhone. Okay, now that you have that, you are going to need the BIOS file so that it can read ROMs. This is not available through Cydia, so you're going to have to do this through SSHing or Total Commander. I will have the download link in the description. Just click on scph1001.zip to download. There we go. I was getting an error. Just extract this to your desktop. Open up Total Commander or SSH. Go into your iPod. Go into private bar. Okay, so you go into mobile. Media. ROM, not purchases. You go into ROMs, PSX, and drag the BIOS file right into here. Okay, there's a write protection, so Total Commander will not work. You're going to have to use SSH. So go into your root, go into var, mobile, media, ROMs, PSX, and drag the BIOS file. Now you should have this folder. I'm not sure if it'll show up in here. I do not believe it shows up in your iPod. Okay, so now that you have that set up, you will need ROMs. So I will have this link in the description, romhustler.net. You can go to Sony PlayStation, scroll down, choose whatever game you want. I'm going to use Final Fantasy IX for an example. Scroll down, find whichever game you want, and here you go, Final Fantasy IX. I believe you have to download all of these files because you need all of the discs. If you don't need all the discs, then it's just part 1 through whatever, but I believe you do need to download all these. So it is a lot to download, but this is the only way to do it. So you download your files, and then once you have all the files, open up part 1 of disk 1, extract the actual ISO onto your desktop, and let's say this is your desktop, your ISO file. You'll drag this into here and then copy it. I believe this can be done through Total Commander, but it will take a long time over SSH. It will still take a long time over Total Commander because the file is really big. One part is 40 megabytes. So do the math. And once you have that, you are done. On your iPod, you should have a little, whatever game you downloaded should be listed here, and just click on that and play it. This is what the layout looks like. Kind of confusing, but it's the best you can get on an iPod. So that is it. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.